Sup guys, this is Max from Biodream Studios and today I'll be showing you my new low poly FPS game. This is it. I was making this for quite long now and this is the result for now. This is a really early stage game, so everything is really boring in this game right now. There's nothing to do, just walk and like spectate things around you, which is really boring for a game. So yeah, in this update, the first update, I'll be showing you the animations and what can you do for now. So yeah, let's start. Sorry, not what can you do, I'll show you the map that I'm making right now. It's really bad right now, but it will be awesome one day, I hope. And in the next updates I'll be showing you new animations, new guns, new managers, new systems. I'll be adding the gun customization too, and that will be awesome. So yeah, let's start with the animations. So we have our little beautiful Scar L in our hands, and let's see the walking animations first. Not bad, not bad. Okay, let's see the running animations. Nice. And now the best part of every FPS game, it's the shooting animations. So the GUI down there is really buggy, glitchy, and I have to fix that as soon as possible. To be honest, I think it will be fixed when the second update, in the second update. So yeah, let's see the reloading animation and the aim down sights, and of course the beautiful sway effect. Okay, like now we're shooting at a guy and we don't have any ammunition anymore, and like what the fuck can I do? You like click 2 and whoop, there's a Glock. So yeah, this is the shooting animation for the Glock. And this is the reloading animation, walking and running. Okay. For the character, the animations are like walking and running, and jump animation too. So, yeah, that's it. And we have our AK. Huzzah! So yeah, this is our AK. It's fully functional. Shoot. Like reload too. It's awesome. And you can run, you can do practically anything. So yeah, I added like physics. Yeah, I added physics. They're, well, for now they're okay. Like you can shoot this, move the effect of the bullets, as you can see. Oh, there's Charles. What's up, Charles? Okay, this is our AI. This will be our AI that will be making your day even better in this game when you will be playing co-op. I'll be right back, Charles. Good guy. Okay, so like we're playing multiplayer, player versus player, and like this is the spawn, and like we want to spawn camp because we're losers, and we like go up. Oh yeah, and this is a static detail for now. It would be awesome if you approach and you click E and then you shoot people and they shoot you. Okay. Oh, look at this. Oh my god. Should we pick it up? Yeah, we should. Okay. Wow, we have a sniper now. Nice. So it's AWP. And it's awesome. The scope isn't, but the gun is awesome. The animation for shooting is bad and the scope is bad for now, but it will be all fixed. As you can see, the lenses are really bad. Like I can't even see, even if it's magnifying. I can't see. But never mind. For the first update, like yeah, first, to be honest, introduction to this game, it's okay. So like we crouch and we see a player up there. He's okay. Charles, what's up? So he's like shooting you, and you just crouch, go like this, and insta headshot, and he's dead. And you get a kill, and you're happy, and he's annoyed. And yeah, so like you don't have any more bullets, and you just go R and you reload. As you can see, the animation is not the best, but it's okay for now. The shooting animation is bad because there's no reloading the bullet, no reloading the gun for another bullet. But yeah, it's okay for now. So like well, it's meant to be Charles. So yeah, I'll explain the AI. So this will be our zombie. This will be our zombie in our co-op game. As you can see, he's just testing right now. He can't really kill you because we don't have any health or health bar. But I added health bar to him, so we can actually kill him. Sorry, Charles, but you have to die. Sorry. So yeah, shoot, and Charles is gone, dead. Okay. Just imagine 100 Charles raging upon you. So yeah. Okay, like we kill a player up there right now, and we want to go up there, but we of course hate walking in a multiplayer game that's in a big scale. So this one is destroyed, so we'll see if we can enter a Humvee. No fuel, okay. No fuel, okay. No fuel. Well, the tanks, this one is destroyed, this one isn't working for sure, because it's covered with sand. Well, let's see, does this one work? Oh nice, press E to enter, we can enter this one. So yeah, we have a 360-degree view on the Humvee, which is really awesome. I really like that. And we can turn it on like this, and we're ready. I'll add a radio, that would be awesome too. Just kidding, we don't need the radio. So yeah, let's park our Humvee let's park it here. Yeah, why not? Okay, and we can enter this building, which is okay. These are the details in the building, like the models that aren't correctly positioned, but hey, I just started. That's the excuse. Okay, so we can't enter this one because there's no scripts for doors. You can't open doors right now, for now. So yeah, this is the inner part of the house. The upper is really all closed, but it's reachable. So yeah, like we have the up now, and we want to shoot people that are shooting them down there. And like there's a player that is right now camping right there, and he's like, I'm a loser, I'll camp, spawn camp, and snipe that guy, and he's dead, and he's raging right now, and we have a kill. Awesome. So yeah, this game will be a co-op game, and it will have a multiplayer online, of course. It will be 50 versus 50, I think, something like that. It will be an open scale world game, FPS game, but it will be just a low poly based game. So yeah, thanks guys for watching this first introduction into my game, or yes, if you want to call it an update of my first game, first update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next update.